requires of you to come my way, or even worse, stay. You put up your fight, though you're often in your right to go and lock the gate, or get up and walk away. But here we are, with your cannons pointed right at my heart. You said you're gonna break down my every wall, however long it takes you. Break down my every wall, however long it takes you. It's no surprise, my ego knows no compromise of the things I say.